As for Otumfuo, he is a disgrace and a betrayer and a greedy person. Otumfuo is a greedy man. He's a betrayer, a snitch, a hypocrite. Yes, that is who Otumfuo is. He is a greedy person. What you have said in Boku, can that be done in Kumasi? Can that be done in Ashanti region? You are in Ashanti region, but you rule a Techima. How greedy can you be? Greedy man, evil man, wicked man. All you think about is what you get. Greed. We have been quiet for so long. JM, shame on you. Shame on Otumfuo. God will punish all of you. You think it's all about power. People had power more than you. Where is Rollins today? Were you powerful than Rollins? Rollins was powerful. Where is he today? 6 feet. Today, I sit here and I tell you that I am proud of myself. I am proud of the Mampurugu youth. Because today, the Kusasis are not able to fight us.
I say, cannot creature down for no moment, say down for Gro. Abusia, and Penisi Obina Kowibi, modern subscribe, channel like Nebuso Kunungonia Kakraka. Aha, Jinami Media. This video we will need so. Now, when you trust on William show, watch it, Abia, our social media. But in there, your Baba breaking it down. And idea, you go 2-4 say to be beam the second, and I'm not proud for our own console. Ken, I bonidia, near Pajimu, a Koha and Tuma, a Shacha near 2, Boy Moise, near San Sole. A dear Sefatenina at the Mano, Asante, Ghana Nina, a bonidin cousin, and I knew Dini, who boy. Dodo na bedia dance say, Obi akra beja tum say, you do 2-4 say to be beam, and a Kayamano Quine, Nanka only Ghana, and Nina. I just say, dear Nadrine, a war form, no ya Babylon, and Quan and a Becasasa, and so ne, and Penny say, the see such a dumasen and Tumpana, and Abu Fakutu, etini a Cassani in the room, who say, Titinati, Naka Doctor Cantema, Canyon Mosso no could be 3. Titinati Tian and Nama Fapum Pembiashe. Nankano send wine, say Neddy, ultimate be one, a coffee cassie mentia. You go 2-4 say to be beam akachi. Na mum anya na him for Nibia no mu on one mu. Enyam wawa. A jacking promise a promise ya or buzo or promise ya. And no conference maba. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, or Ghana Mampany, a promise or co-promise, Mampugu, Mampusi, and then 2 or boy, Nigeria for your modia, Sansuna Fulani for your modia. You say a biano, Ubia Asole, say or pray nature fan, or Sebi, a hini or Babadi ye, Mechre presidency or Babadi ye emo. Abusia, say what's the dear? Ubi or Babon Tibia say, can promise a co-promise in Nibiano. Udi atemwa, Penia can promise a dinner fall for as a Nimbiano, you didn't attempt. Na mo mina blame and mebun way. Na mo the blame no eko sebe omo mo twen ewura adwen ewura mampani adwen se ko ewura 2-4 say to be ho na ko hu no na oni mamprogu no mamprusi fo yinkasa na sebe nya do sebe okronto sebe nyama ene asukonoma ananim se twe ahorodo kwase aba gimifo we etimidi ewura num yefom tinkasa ewura ensem odna no kan mintimi mpo nka abusua yenkoti ensem no na yemra eba na breaking down yenti ensem o kan ye good man a journalist and a presenter okumase Asante Mantemu akeka bibi anaso aka bi e de akere no yenkomra na yeba na yato aso mamu thought e comment section wono aha Jami Media edi am giso ye nana ya medase bebre.
There will not be peace in Boku. I am saying this and saying it again. There will not be peace in Boku. Come for me. I am waiting and ready for you. Come for me. Because there will not be peace in Boku. On the 23rd of December, that night, you sent military to Boku. And you didn't send them anywhere. You sent them to the town, Natinga, and arrested people. Not only Natinga, inside Boku Township. You arrested people. Random people are there doing their things, minding their business, and they were arrested. Up to now, our brothers are still there. They didn't do anything wrong. My brother was standing there to buy something from the shop. You came and picked him up. He spent, that's almost, how many days at the police cells there? What did he do wrong? Because of power. You are in power, and you have promised Kusasis to do all this for them, and you are really delivering your promise. Wow. King Promise. You have really delivered your promise. As for Otumfuo, he is a disgrace and a betrayer and a greedy person. Otumfuo is a greedy man. He's a betrayer, a snitch, a hypocrite. Yes, that is who Otumfuo is. He is a greedy person. What you have said in Boku, can that be done in Kumasi? Can that be done in Asante region? You are in Asante region, but you rule Techima. How greedy can you be? Greedy man, evil man, wicked man. All you think about is what you get. Greed. We have been quiet for so long. JM, shame on you. Shame on Otumfuo. God will punish all of you. You think it's all about power. People had power more than you. Where is Rollins today? Were you powerful than Rollins? Rollins was powerful. Where is he today? 6 feet. Today, I sit here and I tell you that I am proud of myself. I am proud of the Mampurugu youth. Because today, the Kusasis are not able to fight us. It is government that is fighting us now. Kusasis are not able to fight us. Look at the number of Mampurusis in Boku. The Kusasis claim to be few, but they couldn't fight us. Now it is government. JM is fighting us for the Kusasi. JM is out here to fight us for the Kusasi. Here, Mama Yarga. They have come out now to fight us. Government has come out to use the military to fight Mampusi, and I'm proud of that. I am proud that it is not the Kusasis who were able to remove Boku Naba from Boku. I am proud that Boku Naba was not removed by the Kusasis. It is the government, the NDC government, that is removing Nasherga from Boku, and it is not Kusasis. Because Kusasis were not able to stand us. Kusasis can never do what JM is doing now. JM is using politics to fight for Kusasis in Boku because of 0-0. Election is coming. Northeast. Do you think Kusasis are more than Northeast? You will get the 0-0 in Northeast. Inshallah, we are all here. We are not rushing. We will not sit down and watch the NDC party, the NDC government disrespect Nayiri and insult Nayiri. We will not sit down and watch that. You promised the Kusasis and you delivered. Can promise. Yes, you promised and you delivered. You will get it in return. Northeast, we are waiting for you. Northeast. The 0-0 you got in Boku, that is making you do all these things. You get it in folds. Northeast, we are waiting for you. Not only Northeast, Mampurugu at large, we are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. You think you can use military to intimidate us? You cannot intimidate us. Nobody is afraid of you. Nobody is scared. Well, they are saying that some names have been submitted to the authorities to go after them one by one. JM, we are waiting for you. You have not done anything. We were not even expecting this. We were expecting that you shoot and kill us, not arresting. What can arresting do? Definitely you release us. You definitely, even if you arrest, you will still release us. No matter what, even if you spend 10 years in there, we'll still come out. You should have killed us like you did yesterday in Boku. Yesterday in Boku, 24th of December, you sent military to Boku to go and shoot and kill our people. My brother was shot and killed yesterday. UJM, that is your work, your government, NDC government, that is what you did in Boku yesterday. That was what you did. You sent military to Boku to go and kill the people. And everybody saw it. God will punish you. Punish Otumfuo. You think that is what will bring peace? You think that is what will bring peace? To oppress us, to intimidate us. That's why will not move us. There will not be peace in Boku. I am saying this and saying it again. There will not be peace in Boku. Come for me. I am waiting and ready for you. Come for me. Because there will not be peace in Boku. On the 23rd of December, that night, you sent military to Boku. And you didn't send them anywhere. You sent them to the town, Natenga, and arrested people. Not only Natenga, inside Boku Township. You arrested people. Random people. People are there doing their things, minding their business, and they were arrested. Up to now, our brothers are still there. They didn't do anything wrong. My brother was standing there to buy something from the shop. You came and picked him up. He spent, that's almost, how many days at the police cells there? What did he do wrong? Because of power. You are in power. And you have promised Kusasis to do all this for them. And you are really delivering your promise. Wow. Can promise. You have really delivered your promise. As for Otumfuo, he is a disgrace. and a betrayer and a greedy person. Otumfuo is a greedy man. He's a betrayer, a snitch, a hypocrite. Yes, that is who Otumfuo is. He's a greedy person. What you have said in Boku, can that be done in Kumasi? Can that be done in Asante region? You are in Asante region, but you rule a Techima. How greedy can you be? Greedy man, evil man, wicked man. All you think about is what you get. Greed.
The papa be na wo no. Bokoni kusas no be on ma. Why when you basa na wo dey kasa no as oba as a young lady like you. Virginia Ujini. E ho no. Ade papa be na wo. Se bi mpediasa. Anya bia no ye te komu a se school for teacher training for ye post you omo baboko eni kusas ya no be e person reject. No be e ko se ye mo dey fa nto ba bi foforo. Anya bia no bokoni kusas no mo hospital se kolebu mo hospital se konfa no chi ebisi wo no ma nka no so bebu abko mo ye nipa mo so ye nipa mo so mo jagina mu enti eniema pa other regions ni nya no mo so nya bia nka ye ana mebo nka mo nya bia ye nka development wo no ma nka ye some impediasa school apapa wo other regions no ebi wo ho no ma nka ye teachers apapa wo other regions the doctors apapa wo other regions no say ye transfer bi bo ho e no mo nyina na be ye djuma akomam e wo ho no ma nka peja ye. This is what you guys need to think of. This is what you guys need to think of. Because of development, that is why you were tuned for first John Dramani Mama Campbell said no, there should be peace so that the land and as a regional and as a chrono able to develop it. As a youth, what about the John can kwasiasem can Jimmy Sam. Me say, me pa munton o na yo ba ntwetwo na mon konkom ho efo bi obey. Ha? Wo so fast one dey, wo a so fast one dey. Jimmy and then ye Jimmy sir. And then ye Jimmy sir. Bibia tribalism. Bibia yentian wase. Yet woman aka ye danta. There's nothing. Bibi at the papa bia no one my buy your friends your region. At papa bia no one my way assassin so. And so the bia no ye Jimmy. Ye Jimmy. And I you tune for your greedy. You tune for your so things say you were tuned for a greedy. I'm telling you this because of you guys. Whoa. Say Jimmy na mo Jimmy no. Say mo feel someone tia. Me say e ka me nko anko man panyin jam. Muntinsi boku ne kusasi ho. Muncheche mun no sem. Sa kwase no na ebi magege na omudi ji no. Muncheche sa no sem no na munkunkum ho emfo bia ho. Munkunkum mo pa muntwaja nto asase nim. Enhyehye adan ho nyina. Eye mo amasema. And then mine ye pay development, ye pay peace, and then you pay Jimmy sir. You guys should think of the fact that I say, obey a doctor, professional doctor, ye transfer the bubble, ye transfer the kokusasia, or be say, ye say you feel. Teacher Papa Beno. Huh? Teacher Papa Beno, I don't Kagana, a Kagana. It can be a semi pediasa, development, a war Ashanti region, the war your friends, other regions. Ebi a greater Accra any ebi a first central region ya dem e ke bi bo ho anke yeye ke bi ho no man ke yeye ke sefata musum ye nipa it's high time people should see you guys money kosu ase ne ka mo credit chem but jimba de nyansafo wo kusase ene boko no ati asese there should be peace wo su kono ma wa wani mbasa we abetra no mo ba be sia wani adwin abrabo no wo hu hinfa school no ko wo pa adwin. Instead of you to think, instead of you to have a vision, Jane Yansan, what one would Jimmy, and there won't be any peace. There won't be any peace at raw naked. To see a one chain, never second war, and I just to never come. Jimmy, FOB way. Huh? FOB way. A chick of it.
And to we, and in some way, a babacan, good man, a can idea. Adolfo Bebina, and Anna Santefo Bebina. And no more mubu you go for say to be mamunya santi fompo and akasadia for mum. For now, ne dear, get in some nepesi breaking down na good man de or kayano, ye to him. Ampa, a shampoo to Juma, and then my name I cost different in Crusoe sector region so Ebuzia, who could pium or bokun putema, and I'm to continue, Sani money be and shadanya de and cososa. A blue hawkrana, yankasi bin with blue hawkrana, and two different region. And I say different for more quite simple to my uncle so makache. Elzia, again, I see such a dumasen to panda. Debut, me say, you would not go to Mubino. abusua sebe enye bone ne kwan so fi se opa asomdwe oye man of peace and asomdwe a ewo Kumase Asante Mantemu a sebe wo bi ono di euro 2 vote oseto bi atama abusua enye ono ne besuma matana platform yi so aka enye ono ne besuma se yenkobu obi o enye no beka sebe yenko siba mo bi o nemum oman nankasa kro na yetimu Asante oman oman ni mu nipa ene ba ko chi nipa na vim no aka che ne se he woni nipa na woni ne kasa sa no woni fie na wudi atem komu no woni nipa woni ne kasa no ebe busa nipa no pa ebe twa ne mpire ebe sibam no amene hu se yes de oye ne wodi nkwase asem ndidi bia me kasa nsem hunu bebre akoso ewo sebe impotem bebre ene da bia Nigeria fo na gi o majesu I relax ye di sebe nse hunu mfe ni masem no saa de ni betimi akoso Kumase a omu nu saa limit no wallahi talai wodi ebetwa ja atum se kan ayi na ebe twetwetwe efuse yentena ho na won twese kan mfam wo sebe kromani na police ni akoche aba che kromani se ade na won kokko na watwese kan won wa do me bad bondog police ni be na be yesa ade no enkendi yedisikaje ko fini ntwonso anya ma be poli vie kuna to atwene ye no ane se na mbe obi obabo nti obeka se bia ena kem tiere kem promise oko promise wo mo enti you people can do politics and as a campaign without promise and me person me bisa and you bra yes switch power na ye papa funny say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na kan say one of these days me boss I no ha dia mama o say as soon as NDC be ba ban mu no wo mo akaka aye o mo sia no muntimi nkasa ina they will begin talking or best start akasa ampa asa no nkasa kan na ampa because no nimboshe ene niema akoso wo grounds. That is why these people are going to talk and the asuko numawo na so nya ko boss say entafo say now they are temidie so pe they will come after you but if you say what would be Asante atem wudi Sante hene atem a wodi ye nyina atem sabe wudi ye gura otumfo se duta bebi atem a wodi Sante fo nyina atem ene social media ho ye no mienu boot for boot na baye we Ghana here no o de achopa enso aba achop no de baye no eye useless apology eye nkwasi apology e was a police for chene bon ha police for cross to crowd say na omo say na mu nya din sa sa e say want Robert for bi anti Robert for so me police for ubo ha say sango for no mo nsere na omo hyehyesi no ubo ha 5 wo ha 5 mu jana fom say team on solo biem ya mutu okọ unqualified apology bi the buy no on 25th December I did a video and out of emotions and out of control I said things that then I'm really sorry kwase ya wonti man kasa ma kasa tie euro 2 for say to be makasa Asante wura makasa kire nyame kase makasa tie sikadwa kofi eniamo ho eni enianso enti awo se me pachawo professional ede ne yehu efisa himfofo ni bia bokwan de ato ho de amamu ti you think say obi abetime bi na na di Asante hinatem hwe ma men kasa micho ye metena ha di atem the limit that we will say is wunim nyansa wuni fie ntete wo maame ne wo papa ntete wo yi wo busuafo ni ntete but the bi beje ne kese esikadwa kofi because obi no di Asante atem obi no wasole Asante so wodi nkunim da go and ask the British. That is why today the Fulanis are in Ghana here trying to get a citizenship because so many British when they become bomini Asante for Ghana for an Asante for kontokwa and your boy mo defeat o mo na we mu ka ha na eje o mo tena ha sei ene na o mo so ne ye kasa rough etimi dia edia Asante atem di obi atem dia kanfo atem power no so say came obi etimi kasa o Ghana ha sei kan kwase asem de kofi kasiem kan kwase asem kire pani bia kan kwase asem odi bloggers atem odi presenters journalists nenso so MPB minister bi tefa kakra ene president bi ne sama mo tefa kakra bi mo di o makeke kan ma no atum no mutimi nka ade wi age wi ye nti eye timi twene fo di Asante hinatem se Asante hine sebe awrade ensi mo kan mintimi fo ma no nka wankasa uti video no I can never repeat in words to Asante hine cause o nyame kase Abusua yemfa sante hene intimidate obi yemfa sante ne ehunu obi o ba dibre ene tumi a papa we wo no abusua hwa sante kakraka wo hini bi papa we wo hini be no so no wa sante o mu yewura o hini be no wa sante o mu yewura omo amutan ne korampo no di respect otumfo enti o se me mfa me hu ntu nipa so me nje nipa ndi fisem se ni nipa ne betimi aboa me agye onyame nko a otisikadwa kofi so ayenfufu atwa ne ho ahia abra wo kasa na obi ji so we tie na ate na wanu hwam enso so wonje safo ni na ndi ogiyankopon di nti na wo kasa o demonstrate bibi na achew o ka asem bi na achew ko ni se na ayenfufu atwa ne ho ahia ne kwa no ebi tan no some of them are sell out. We have mpeniphobia or mobena they support this foolish people Nigerians akasa in the group. Uko chuku di fiwa ini ahemfo. We have such ahemfo ewo ho. We have sebi ye gama nchahin na ahemfo nketewa bi ewo ho bi. We have all the informations here. And 2026 e kan budget no ho. Ai e ka bloggers e budget no ho, especially GMA media me budget ne ka ho bi. Atasa ni nebusu for chuku di ye be gboura Nigeria for ye ne mumi no kroma. You think say ye ne Fulani for they can't do anything. Fulani for ntimi nya hwenti mo de nkwa de mfanto. De do met na so be social media rant atrete omu ntimi ne foko. Omu ntimi ne obi afoko. Be sham one on one ato nsa. Oh to nsa no problem. Bo me ne ko eneze ukumi mo kire nda ho se brante eno so kura no do be fight ukumi do be fight me dunya me kasoro ka fom ka aboso ma yeso mo do be fight enti do bia timi fafo no odi ewura atam keke obi afafo no odi ewura atam came promise na be promise mo. Why don't you insult the person who came to promise you? Obi ono obeka bi o se peace mbra se yewura kora buasam no se mumfa mama mprusifo na mamprugu montenasia anase mumfa mama mprugufo na mamprusifo montiasia. He want peace. Enti nyanse wo mumpenifo ne mo nrante ne mutini mabawo ne mutini ze munsa mo chenku emre yewura ho yewura yeba na somdwem enye tototo enye ntokwa yeserew eni die ne wobu ne ahobrase yakwa so se bie buru se bie nya de se bie nya ma yewura yenye wodie ne yebu nya mekase yewura ye pa acho atemu na obu ye no yehuni se ebia bebi ekọ ne ye ninje ho but nsase ne doso ana akonyo na ye pre na doso fa we ma we na fa we ma we ne yeserew yesu ni echefo ne ndidi so ye ne yere ne ye ma ndidi so ye ni dwo so ye nyese wo so yewura ye pani odue matemante mo ba kan no wate mo dia ba nanim de obu ne ndidi di ama no afeni wa frɛ president no de asem no betu nanim no allegedly ese president de kodan no na oma ema no ko kan bi ndisa allegedly no kra dia wo be frɛ president see the nkrofo yi kan ana mpenifo ma hemfo mo mala sei na omo ka yenye ne sei mo na asomdwe mra yeti asante sebi what is asante wo mo kontokwa se boku de esi wo ondu asante you lie bad what do me bad yewura wo trending yewura tu fo sita be wo trending so beti ne ho Africa ho asante de ne ho wo ne flag no wo ne sika wo ne bibi yewura wo trending omo ba hanko meje passport ya wasa asante tin ho Africa ho na biribira mba mane amba ene yedi abamufu atam amo hene na yanto so aba no yewura na yanto so aba no so yedi natam ono wote titibonti butentim titibutentim oti osinsu ma wonsu asoche ensu be boden yewura obeye boden otimwo da otimwo se ya ase kuribuo no ochen kuribuo se ene nsu bo ne se pepe na okọ na oba ntimi nya hwe nsu ntimi nya bo hwe ono ayento so aba ne te ho ya to isu aba na okọ ya to isu aba na okọ atamno se abakọ jeje rollins abakọ otumfo da so to papa te ho firi wo wate yewura otumfo se to be the second ye bodin ani ya pja ye muse ya ka cho se mu apiafo ye nyame kese obuni ni die kwan so I respect everything no matter what do oni yewura ya adwen do oni nya adwen be respect mu nyina. So why don't you do korabu na mo yewura ntena se na mo nkanche yewura si yewura ya fedie ya kora ye hu se yedi watama haye nti ye nti ye hu fi Ghana ho bebira mama ne amba de Ghana ye bia omo anye yeso ye nye ye de ni develop kuru no na kuru no nye o man kase na abrofo mra se de omo ba bi omo bo wakache no o mehu sampo ye bibi big chance a wokuma se de wo ye no wa ya to aso abofra esuko no ma hey, I feel sorry for this lady. I feel sorry for this lady. When you are sefo, you be suffer pa. To say things like this, to for say to baby nyame kese. Oti sikaje ko fesu. O prasomdwe dia mamu anka se mabuna mokomu no. So the innocent souls na lost omo kra no. Do you like it? Say Ghana police, Ghana army, actually Nua Bema involved. Who the hell is your brother? Who the hell are you people? And Timo ya the bonia police for ne military for ne Timo Chemana. Who born dog? Now who the Ghana here now? Ghana here now. Ebi a woni Kumase. But who the Mustafa no? Rambo style no. Hi Jamie Media. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Bomade subscribe channel like na ebusu kunungo nya kakraka. Can promise yawo. Enunti no mo agenda akwahye kuntu ase akwahye kukom akotwara base ahemfofo nyina mfo nsa asemfa mbra. Ye gye di amahemfo. Ye di man ibufo na se di man Nigeria fo mama kwatana so. Ye di man Nigeria fo ni ibufo ni Fulani fo mama kwatana so. Ohene ne nsa ase ene ye ni tumi a wodidi wo man so. Nti wo bagye ahemfofo nsa ase efiri so. Na wo timi atwa bi aka se he Nigeria ni waba me supporto. Nti kona kwatena so hey me share Fulani fo mungon kwatena so political talk what this even more. Can promise is a betrayer. Can promise or a betrayer. Some more from Mahama can promise or you betray him political talk. Say someone can political talk. We need baby had the mukugu because Ghana no ye jamu say munkwa na munkopem na munkwa asase obi anto so ne mfa na musa gichi mukuru kwana munko to asase bi e de hokwa asase bi awura asase bi ahye ohini bi ase. Who bondok mon pen create. You see every useless person on the social media ranting, insulting president, insulting our kings and chiefs in Ghana. But the necessary things that they should talk about it. Or minimum foreigners who come crofo mube twa ho foni I report ya several police aye ho videos ma police for akoho akobo ban ma kuro ni mu adwe mantem ho adwo obi timi sine dan na yakotwitwa ne cables nyina obi ti abrochire na ote awomu no enne awesi abrochire na yatwitwa nkrofo cables no nkrofo tiles o matwagu ya betwe ni nyina akọ onema watwagu a wonya mfa nya ya egu dan mu na ya betwe na nadwo ya behuru fence because wonya mfa electric mahwangu so security ni fio na yakotwe ni nyina de kọ that is nipa ne san ye adwuma foforo san to de ba eno de mo report en kama area ho no se security mu nya de man ta na ma na so ntwa ni mu abrochire me biebie dwuma magana fo ene no obi kaso abrochire majapade wa Ghana me beton me company kura me jai matum me so mo ton mo fasika na me metena abrochire me bela me betena pension me dan ba ko me bia mesi ma dwedwe me ho ma permit to obi atom ho license we jimi a dima yawo o license sana ye pa na yes e kuru mi sana ye pe ye ntena wo nkwasiafo bi jimi fo bi moafo bi nse no kuru no ha na ye te me ntu kwan me te kuru mu ha nti ye better na ha in peace not in pieces. Damn, hold on dog. Hey, ubit ma fofo esi wani metime didi ye wuro tu fo se to bi atem nanka asante mamu ha advocating Katineza wahaya papa anka wode ba uja baton yi mu na de ma okro bi na on de ni edin na nko ni we be face so a ke bi okro ni nka bi yesu wankwahye bobi sei ya so ne etu aba no meka ho bi bomade subscribe channel like na ebusu kunu ngonya kakraka hi Jamie Media let me know your thoughts in the comment section eni obi atem de media so ne yeka onti asia from first studio line no share your studio line so and as a comment section o na me ho adwenkyere ichi na busuafo nyina unim se me nan no accident no still na me nan da so me ya enti no se videos na ba share so ya mo fa nche me ebi wa mahu pa mo de send me mahu kra dada because me media so 24/7 but me nan ni ntia na mayemre sa na osem pe bebi kakram na meda ha ya de me ya patutu me nkwan so na me obi anim ntia wo boa me ya na meye kakakakakra ha ni ohwe me we ya aha plaster na say bo ni aha ene me nan so na sefo no nyina no ene me nan ntia ni na plaster bo bandage nan so de me de chera bandage wo so aha nti no ana mo de ache me why it is what it is. Bye bye.